she had 4 million followers, but 0 bars of signal. Welcome to the wild, where hashtags mean nothing and squirrels bite. This is Influencer versus Nature, the Wi-Fi Wilderness War. Meet @GlowQueenLuna, beauty vlogger, life coach, wilderness survivor for like 12 minutes. Day 1 in the wild, and she's already lost her ring light, 2 nails, and half her sanity. But she's not giving up. Oh no. She's live streaming into the void, sipping melted iced coffee, and posing like she's in Bali, except she's surrounded by ticks. Welcome to the ultimate content drought. No Wi-Fi, no glam, just raccoons and regret. She came to shoot a skincare tutorial. Nature came to ruin her life. First came the raccoons, savage, mascara-thieving bandits of the brush. Then, the deer, majestic until it roundhouse kicked her ring light into the void. She tried to use her protein shake bottle to filter water. It filtered shame instead. TikTok dances? Canceled. Mosquito swarms? Don't care about views. Nature isn't clout chasing. Nature is the algorithm, and she's losing followers by the second. After 48 hours with no Wi-Fi, no glam, and no gluten-free snacks, something snapped. Gone was @GlowQueenLuna. Now she was Luna the leaf-wrapped. She used lipstick as war paint. Her highlighter became a flare signal. And that stolen makeup bag? Now a raccoon utility belt. She built a throne from broken selfie sticks and declared war on the forest. No phone, no followers, just ferocity. It all led to this. 1 queen, 1 forest, no Wi-Fi. The final boss wasn't a bear, it was the algorithm incarnate, the squirrel queen. Towering over the treetops, armed with acorns of doom. She was nature's top influencer, 12 billion acorn followers, and no mercy. Luna didn't flinch. She vlogged through the terror with her selfie stick spear in hand and raccoon backup on standby. She screamed, "Let's get viral!" and charged. Squirrel Queen versus Influencer Queen. One will trend, one will end. And just like that, silence. The forest lay still. The Squirrel Queen vanished into the mist. Her acorns scattered like forgotten trends. Luna stood victorious, queen of the disconnected, ruler of raccoons, undefeated in the woods. But just as she raised her phone to post the final victory reel, battery, 1%, no service. Nature wins again. Like, subscribe, and pray for signal.